How can I contact Amazon customer service if I have questions about my payment revision?
Welcome to this video tutorial on how to contact Amazon customer service if you have questions about your payment revision. We will guide you through the process step by step, making sure you have a clear understanding of the options available to you.
Can I call Amazon customer service?
Yes, you can call Amazon customer service to get assistance with your payment revision questions. Here's the process. 1. Dial the Amazon customer service phone number. The number is 1-888-280-4331 for the United States. For other countries, visit the Amazon website and locate the Contact Us page for the appropriate number. 2. Follow the automated prompts to navigate to the correct department for payment revision assistance. 3. Speak with a representative to address your questions and get the help you need.
Can I use the Amazon chat support?
Absolutely. Amazon offers a convenient chat support option for customers who prefer to communicate via text. Here's how to access it. 1. Log in to your Amazon account. 2. Navigate to the Help and Customer Service page. 3. Locate and click on Contact Us. 4. Select Start Chatting Now and follow the instructions to connect with a representative.
Is email support available?
Yes, you can also reach Amazon customer service via email for payment revision inquiries. Here's how. 1. Log in to your Amazon account. 2. Go to the Help and Customer Service page. 3. Click on Contact Us and then select Email as your preferred contact method. 4. Compose your email with your payment revision questions and concerns, and then send it to the provided email address. In summary, there are 3 main ways to contact Amazon customer service for payment revision questions: phone, chat, and email. Remember that you may need to provide your order number, account details, and a brief description of your issue to receive the most accurate and efficient assistance. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful.